Hi, Mark Diaz here for 2danimation101.com. In this lesson, I'm gonna show you how to design a PSD character in Photoshop that you can use in your YouTube animated series inside CrazyTalk Animator 3.1. Okay, I'm assuming you already know how to use Photoshop, okay? If you don't, you can just go to our website, 2danimation101.com, and check our course, Backgrounds and Assets for Animation with No Drawing Skills, where I teach you how to use Photoshop and how to use all the drawing tools and techniques used for designing elements, okay? Okay, so this is being played in fast forward. I'm going to create a very simple character using shapes, okay? Everything is being designed with my mouse. I'm not using a drawing tablet. So these types of characters are very easy to design. All I use is very basic shapes, and sometimes I use the direct selection tool, the white arrow, to edit some points. Okay, I'm creating the nose, change some settings, and I can just adjust everything very easily. As you can see, I'm using a ruler to set the middle of the character, the center of the character. This is going to help me design this a little bit better. And for the hair, I just use the pen tool and some vector points using the curves and adjusting them with the Alt key to add this kind of anime hairstyle, okay? I like to rename the layers so I don't get lost. And then you will notice that I only have one pair of eyes and eyebrows because I like to have my characters symmetric, and all I do is duplicate and flip. That's it. I have both eyes and both eyebrows. And for the mouth, you can draw a different mouth for each character, or you can keep things super simple and use the same mouth for every character. That's what I'm gonna be doing in this series. Now, why don't I just draw one mouth and I'm done with it? Because we need, for each mouth of each character, we need to draw a large number of phonemes. Because remember, we want this to be ready for lip sync so our characters can talk. So instead of having to draw each mouth for each phoneme, I can just use a set of mouths that I'm going to be using one again and again on each character, okay? So I can just open the mouth file and then select that mouth and drag it into my project. That will be done with every single character, so I save time with the mouth, okay? I don't have to create different mouths for each character. I provide this mouth in the project files. Actually, this was designed by the team at Revolution, but we are using it here, okay? And then I can always adjust points using the direct selection tool of the hair. Then I make some adjustments to the face really quick. Then I continue with the neck. Then I follow up with the body. Inside CrazyTalk Animator, this part of the body is called hip. So in here in Photoshop, I'm calling it upper torso and hip. Then I continue with the right arm. From our side, it's the left arm, but this is the right arm of the character. And very simple, just a quick rectangle and a quick shape for the hand. Then I just take both the arm and the hand and duplicate them and flip them. And then I take the arm, duplicate it, make it a little bit thicker and shorter, and I use it to create both legs. And then to finish off with this character, I just create simple shapes for the feet. I just create one, duplicate it, and flip it. Then just a bit of adjustments here and there, and I'm done. Very good. So this is how you can design very simple characters in Photoshop. Now in the next lesson, I'm going to show you how to rig it and have it ready for animation. A very easy process of just moving points in the correct place. See you there.